Back to Product Zone. Today we're checking out the new Deer Family outdoor camping chair or beach chair with this amazing footrest. Really good top quality right here. Holds up to 260 pounds. Come with this extra storage bag for when you finish. You put this inside. A nice handle so you can put on your shoulder. What I love about it right here, this is for your head right here, your neck. Relax, it easy, it detachable with Velcro. You could take it off on and on. Amazing, really good breathe through material with mesh right here. Really stitched on, good fabric, good, very comfortable. And you can see the blue and the black is pretty nice. You got a nice cup holder over here with a can of soda, coffee, or beer. And what I like about this, you could be lazy all day long if you want, putting up your 2 foot and relax. And if you don't want to do that, you could always remove this part. How to take out this part, you have a zipper right over here. So we're gonna unzip this like that, zip out all the way out, and this unscrews right here. You just unscrew it. It's easy, simple, and then you fold this and put this away. And look, right there, you got a nice sit-up straight chair, or you could decline it a little bit, whatever you want. Adjust it to you, and very comfortable and strong. I sat on it. I'm over about 205 and feels comfortable, like the armrest. And what I like about it is that it's a little bit flexible, so when you sit with it, it kind of like adjust with it, and you could see that. So it's a good quality. It's pretty good. We're gonna use this for beach hiking, and we got a lot of the kids got a lot of games, so this is really good. Like we go to the games, I'm not gonna walk with the foot piece, the footrest. I'm just gonna be using the chair by itself, so that's a good option. Oh, and I forgot to mention this part right here. It's a good little storage. So you could put a cell phone, wallet, keys, or a bunch of chips and stuff in here. So you could do a lot of stuff, from soda to water to chips, whatever you want. Pretty good stuff. And then if it's rain, it's fine. It's dried off really quick. Check in the link in the description box to get your hand on this amazing chair and footrest.